Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Harshita Katpal. So this is the sixth fruit look from the fruit series. The fruit is fig, which has a purple and a red color. So if you guys want to know how have I created this look, please keep on watching. Without any further bug, let's get into the video. Hi guys, so let's start with the look. For moisturizer, I'm using the same Biotique Morning Nectar Moisturizer. Take a good amount and massage it all over your face. The primer that I'm using today is the Color Bar Prime Perfect Match Primer. Apply it around your nose area where you have open pores. Moving on to my eyes. Conceal my eyes, I'm using the Maybelline New York Concealer. Take a good amount and apply it on your eyelids. As this is a fig look, I'm going to take red color on the eyelids and purple color on my crease. The transition color that I'm using is from the Urban Decay palette, this color right here. Once it is blended properly, I'm going to add the purple color. For the purple color, I'm using the Revolution Pro palette. This palette has a variety of purples, lavenders, so I'll use the lightest color, which is this one. I'll be giving a bit of depth to this color. I'm taking a bit darker color from here, this color, applying it again below the lighter shade. For the red color, I'll be using the Urban Decay Troublemaker palette. And the color that I'll be using from this palette is Relish, this color. For the foundation, I'm using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, using my beauty blender to apply the foundation. Once you're done blending your foundation, move on to your concealer. For concealing, today I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. This is a multi-use concealer in the shade medium. Once you're done decorating your face, blend. Once your concealer is blended properly, set your face with a setting powder or a translucent powder. Before that, I am going to do baking. So for the baking, I'm again using the Kryolan translucent powder in the shade Banana. This is a yellow toned shade. Just dabbing the concealer to make sure there are no creases and then applying powder. For contouring, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. This is in the shade Dulce de Leche. I don't know how to pronounce this. I'll remove the excess powder with the same powder brush. For the blush, today I'm using the BH Cosmetics Nude Blush 10 color blush palette. This is how it looks. Taking my blush brush. If you tell me, I'll apply blush all over my face. For highlighting, I'm using the e.l.f. Highlighter. I'm not going to leave this until this gets over.
Can you guys see this?
So after the highlighter, I'm going to do my under eyes. For my under eyes, I'm using the Rimmel pencil, which is in the shade purple. Yeah, 007 purple. Oh, James Bond. Today I'm planning to do a smudged eyeliner. So for that, I'm taking my Faces Canada All-Time Pro Kajal pencil. Once I've applied the kajal, smudge it with a smudger. Now I'm moving on to the mascara. For the mascara, I'm using the Volume Million Lashes Extra Black Mascara from L'Oreal Paris. Now I'll be moving on to the lipstick. So to set my face, I'm using the Faces Canada All-Time Pro Makeup Fixer. And this is it, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. This is the second last fruit look. Only one fruit look is remaining, so you guys please suggest me in the comments down below that what do you want me to create next. Do you want me to create something related to skincare, makeup, how to pair your outfits? So let me know in the comments down below. I'm very happy that I've completed the series. And also, if you guys have missed any of my videos, I'm going to link it there on the screen or down in the description box below. And also don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Harshita Katpal. Till then, bye bye, see you guys in my next video.